Hello everyone, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson. For today's video mga kaibigan, ang ating pag-uusapan is all about MyTrade. I-review po natin ito. Is it safe in terms of its services bilang trading platform? Is it legit or scam? So right now, sabay-sabay po nating i-dig deeper ang mga necessary information na kailangan nating malaman about this MyTrade trading platform. At kung bago ka pa lang naka-visit sa ating channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, lalong-lalo na if you are interested sa mga content na maaring magbigay sa atin ng knowledge and empowerment paano pa tayo mas lalong kumita online. So stay tuned at tapusin mo lang panoorin ang video na to. And let's proceed. Now, una po nating pag-uusapan mga kaibigan is itong brief background ng MyTrade. This trading broker was founded in Melbourne, Australia by a dedicated team of experienced financial trading and fintech veterans. It started doing its business last 2011 at sa ngayon meron na po itong more than 2 million users worldwide. And proud po itong nagpakilala mga kaibigan as award-winning multi-asset trading platform kung saan pwede po tayo mag-trade ng Forex, US stocks, indices, gold, crude oil, and other popular markets using one account. As we search for more information about this platform, nakita po natin dito mga kaibigan ang kanilang mga awards and recognition. So ito yon recently, 2023 Best Fintech Broker Global, 2023 Most Transparent Broker, and 2023 Forex Customer Satisfaction and Happiness Asia. The next 100 Global Awards 2023 Trading Platform Category, Best Multi-Asset Broker 2023, Best Mobile CFD Trading Platform Asia Pacific. So talking about their claim na sila ay multi-awarded, talagang napapakitan din naman po nila mga kaibigan in terms of mga awards na nabanggit natin. Isa sa favorable at pinaka-advantage nitong MyTrade mga kaibigan ay may sarili po silang trading platform na kahit ikaw ay beginner or expert in trading industry ay talagang magbibigay ito sa iyo ng simplicity, intuitiveness in terms of its interface at dito po sila nakikilala bilang trading platform. Ibig sabihin po nito, hindi mo na kailangang mag-download pa ng ibang platform on your gadget or any device. All you need to do is gagamitin na lang itong proprietary trading platform na may napaka-user-friendly na interface at libre lang po natin itong magagamit. Kung gusto mong ma-explore ang platform na to or ma-download ang kanilang proprietary trading platform on your device mga kaibigan, may link po sa description nitong video. Pwede nyo lang po i-click yon at dito kayo mismo i-route sa homepage na to. At pwede kang mag-register, input mo lang ang iyong email and create your password, or pwede rin po gamitin ang mismong Google account, Facebook account, and Apple ID to register directly. And next mong gagawin is i-verify ang iyong account. At ang good news mga kaibigan, the moment mag-register ka ngayon ay meron kang up to $100 na new traders bonus na pwedeng matanggap. By simply completing your profile, makakatanggap ka ng $20. And the moment mag-verify ka naman ng yung identity with your valid IDs, ay bibigyan ka ng $30. And finally, pag nagkaroon ka ng yung first deposit, bibigyan ka na naman ulit ng another $50. So 20 plus 30 plus 50, a total of $100 ang pwede po nating i-claim dito, and mawi-withdraw po natin ito the moment na mahit po natin yung trading lots na requirement. At isa pa po sa napakagandang features nitong MyTrade mga kaibigan is napakadali na lang mag-trade sa mobile app. At ang tanong ngayon, anong markets po ba ang pwede nating i-trade sa platform na to? So first, pwede tayong mag-forex trading. Next, indices trading. Third, commodities trading. And finally, share CFDs trading. And on top of its proprietary trading platform mga kaibigan, ang MyTrade ay nagbibigay din po ng free tools para sa kanilang mga traders. Now talking about free tools, napakalaking advantage po nito kasi sa ibang platform, binabayaran po ito. So first, merong trading analysis, meron ding forecast, economic calendar, news, market data, sentiment index, risk management, and contract specifications. Now, take note sa mga nabanggit ko is free tools po itong binibigay ni MyTrade. So, again, kung gusto mo itong ma-explore mga kaibigan, you can simply click the link attached sa description nitong video. In terms naman sa kanilang legitimacy mga kaibigan, ang MyTrade ay licensed and regulated by the top tier regulator, itong Australian Securities and Investment Commission. Licensed din po ito sa Cayman Islands Monetary Authority and the Mauritius Financial Services Commission. Meron din po itong negative balance protection at pwedeng makapagsimulang mag-trade with a very small amount. Kung makikita natin, 0.01 lot for trading, yung pinaka minimum. And of course, meron din po itong professional support na anytime pwede po nating makontak. And finally, check din po natin dito sa WikiFX kung ano yung status ng MyTrade. So type po natin, search MyTrade. Ayan. Kaya extra careful din mga kaibigan dahil kung makikita natin dito, meron pong mga clone site na hindi legit, no? At ito po yung original. Click natin. Ayan, may rating po ito na 7.04 and at ito po yung top tier license na nakapost dito. So as you can see, this is the certificate from Australia Securities and Investment Commission, licensed institution MyTrade Global Limited with a license number 398528. So with the information and data na ating nag-gather mga kaibigan, it leads us to a conclusion na ang MyTrade is 100% legit trading platform na may intuitive and very user-friendly platform with legitimate licenses in terms of its regulations. So that's all lang po muna for today mga kaibigan. Maybe nakikita mo ang MyTrade sa kanilang mga advertisement and other online promotions at naghahanap ka ng other opinion or reviews about them. And I hope ang content natin today ay nakapagbigay sa iyo ng dagdag knowledge about this platform. Once again, this is Rufi Lacson. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and good luck with your trading journey.